Tired of printing, signing, and scanning documents? Today, we're unlocking the secrets to signing PDFs directly on your Android phone, making your life a whole lot easier. First, let's look at Adobe Acrobat Reader. Most likely it's already on your device, but if not, download it from the Play Store. Open your PDF in Acrobat Reader, then tap on the Fill and Sign icon, usually found at the bottom right or in the top menu. A toolbar will appear. Tap the signature icon, and then select Create Signature. Use your finger or a stylus to draw your signature in the designated area. Once you're happy with your signature, tap Done. Now, tap anywhere on the PDF where you want to place your signature. You can then resize and reposition it as needed by dragging the blue handles. To save your signed document, tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Save or Save, as this will create a new PDF with your embedded signature. And that's it. You can now easily email or share your signed PDF directly from your Android phone. While Adobe Acrobat Reader is a great option, explore other third-party apps like Signisi or DocuSign, which offer advanced features like signature, tracking, and cloud storage for an even more seamless workflow. Now you can sign documents on the go with just your phone.